We'll say 25. Because I've been doing a lot of zigzagging and not paying attention and whatnot, you know. I'm curious how long this is going to last. The battery. That's going to be the key. I'm gonna be shit out of luck on this, huh? Toss it. Oh, you suck at tossing shit. I really have to learn you, dear. I'm slick as a damn eel right now. Can't even grab it on my legs.
I know. Putting my hands in the water.
Boy, this is the way to do this, though, huh? You get to see everything. It's like hiking on the water.
Yeah.
Better than kayaking, because there's not that constant. Because I'm telling you, after 8 hours, it gets a little old. You know? After 2 hours, it gets a little old. Well, we're about to hit that thing there. Don't you know how to drive?